Many parents feel uncomfortable talking with their child about puberty and their first period. Parents might have grown up feeling ashamed by periods and might not want to embarrass their child by having that conversation now. However, a first period is part of health and development, and having an honest conversation about it is an important way to help your child as they grow up. Helping a child through their first period involves offering support, guidance, and reassurance. So here's how you can do it. Number 1, be approachable. Create an open environment where your child feels comfortable discussing sensitive topics like menstruation. Let them know that it's normal and natural to have questions and concerns. You can achieve that by 1, initiating conversations. Don't wait for your child to come to you. Initiate conversations about puberty and menstruation yourself. This shows that you're open to discussing these topics and encourages them to feel more comfortable talking to you. 2, listen without judgment. When your child does approach you to discuss periods, listen attentively and without judgment. Allow them to express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly. 3, validate your child's feelings and experiences even if they differ from your own. Let them know that it's normal to feel uncertain or nervous about puberty and menstruation. 4, be available. Make yourself available for discussions about periods whenever your child feels ready to talk. This might mean setting aside dedicated time for conversations or being open to discussing it whenever they bring it up. By being approachable and supportive, you can create a trusting relationship with your child, and that allows them to feel comfortable discussing periods and other important topics with you. Number 2, educate. Provide age-appropriate information about menstruation, explaining what it is, why it happens, and what to expect. Use simple language and be honest in your explanations. It can help to have the conversation slowly over the course of several years rather than all at once. For instance, you can first mention that some people bleed every month to prepare for pregnancy during a conversation about where babies come from. Number 3, provide practical assistance. Help your child manage their period by ensuring that they have access to menstrual products like pads and tampons. Offer to purchase these products for them and show them how to use them. Also encourage them to carry supplies with them, especially when away from home. Number 4, provide comfort. Providing comfort to your child during their period involves a combination of emotional support, practical assistance, and understanding. Some of the best ways that you can do this is by 1, being understanding. Validate your child's feelings and let them know that it's normal to feel uncomfortable and irritable during their period. Show empathy and understanding towards any discomfort that they may be experiencing. You could also offer emotional support. Be a comforting presence for your child by listening to their concerns and offer words of encouragement. 3, encourage self-care. Teach your child self-care techniques that help them alleviate period symptoms, such as taking a warm bath, using heating pads, or practicing relaxation exercises. Encourage them to prioritize rest and relaxation during this time. 4, create a safe environment. Create a safe and comfortable environment for your child to manage their periods. Ensure that they have access to a clean bathroom and a quiet place to rest when they need to. Number 5, normalize the experience. Normalize menstruation by talking about it openly and positively. Remind your child that periods are a natural part of growing up and they are not alone in experiencing them. If you feel comfortable, share your own experiences with puberty and menstruation to normalize the conversation and show that you understand what they are going through. Number 6, respect their privacy. Respect a child's privacy by giving them space to manage periods independently if they prefer that. Avoid making them feel embarrassed or ashamed about their bodily functions. Number 6, be patient and understanding. This is especially if your child is hesitant and shy to discuss periods. Number 7, seek medical advice if needed. If your child experiences severe pain, heavy bleeding, or other concerning symptoms in their period, seek medical advice from a healthcare professional to ensure that they receive appropriate care and support. By providing support, information, and encouragement, you can help your child navigate their first period. I hope that this was helpful, and remember to stay fabulous.